women, I am Ishita Saluja, founder and head stylist at Ishita Saluja Image Consultancy. I style incredible women across the globe who are reinventing themselves and looking for a boost in their confidence. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the triangular body shape or women who are conscious about their lower body. अगर आप कोई ऐसे इंसान हो जिसको अपनी लोअर बॉडी को लेके कॉन्शियसनेस होती है, तो कहीं कुर्ता सेट्स ऐसे हैं जो आपकी लोअर बॉडी को एम्फेसाइज कर देंगे और आप कॉन्शियस फील करोगे। Whereas कहीं कुर्ता सेट्स ऐसे भी हैं जो आपकी लोअर बॉडी को डी एम्फेसाइज करेंगे और आपको बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट फील कराएंगे। Today we are only focusing on Indian wear, which offers a rich variety of styles and designs. However, not every style suits every shape. If you have a triangular shaped body, there are certain styles that are going to balance your proportions and highlight your best features. So I am going to take you through different do's and don'ts. Make sure that you take whatever works for you and leave for doesn't. Because the only way to look your best is to love and embrace your body. And I am going to give you 5 affirmations that are going to help you in the way you look at yourself. So let's go and start the affirmation. Number 1, I love myself. Number 2, I embrace my body in any shape. Number 3, I dress up for myself. Number 4, I slay in everything that I wear. And number 5, I look my best every single day. Now that you have affirmed this, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share it with all your friends so that they can also feel more confident and they can style themselves in the best way possible. Because we are really working hard to create content and make all the women across the globe very confident about themselves. So we want to reach as many women as we can, and we want your love and support in that. Number 1 mistake to avoid is color coordination. Don't wear high contrast outfits. For example, pairing a white bottom with completely different colored upper kurta, in this case a black, can draw more attention to the hips and thighs because of the visual contrast, which is breaking up your body, emphasizing the area around your hips, which means आपको दो contrasting color साथ में नहीं पहनने हैं, especially lighter color नीचे जो आपकी body से cling हो रहा हो, because this is going to make your hips and thighs look even bigger. Instead, opt for one color look. Wearing a black coordinated outfit creates a smooth and elongated look. A single color from top to bottom creates a continuous line which can make you appear taller and slimmer. And when you do this, you will realize कि आपने जब एक color top to bottom पहना है और इतना contrast नहीं create कर रहे हो, the area of the thighs and hips will automatically look smaller. Number 2, the style of kurta. If you're conscious about your hips and thighs, then completely avoid wearing these fitted straight kurta as they can accentuate hips and thighs. The straight cut can cling to the widest part of your body, drawing more attention there. अगर आपने hips और thighs को लेके conscious हो, especially hips को लेके, और आप नहीं चाहते वो emphasize हो, तो ये fitted straight kurtas को avoid करो. Instead, choose flowy kurtas that glides over your hips, creating a balanced look. A flowy kurta allows for movement and doesn't cling to your hips, which helps you create a more proportionate appearance. And not only this, अगर आप flowy kurta पहनोगे तो आप automatically realize करोगे that your hips and thighs are looking smaller and you will feel more confident. The next thing to avoid is this short anarkali. Now, even though if you're a triangular shaped body and your hips and thighs are bigger, anarkalis will be your best friend. But if you wear shorter anarkali with palazzo pants, the volume will draw more attention to that area, making it appear wider. तो इतना घेरे वाला जो अनारकली होता है, शॉर्ट होता है, उनको प्लाजोस के साथ नहीं पहनना है क्योंकि वो ऐसा क्रिएट विजुअल करेगा कि आपके हिप्स और थाइज ज़्यादा बड़े हैं. Instead, I will tell you what to do. Do choose longer anarkali, preferably in darker colors like black or maroon to create a lengthening effect. A long anarkali flows over hips and thighs, elongating the body, creating a more balanced look. So anarkalis pehno, they can be your best friend, but longer anarkalis. And the division will help you bring more attention on the upper part and take away attention from the lower body. This is what you want, right? कि आपके thighs और hips smaller लगे. But remember, हमें अनारकलीज जो है थोड़े longer पहनने हैं और उनको हम अगर स्ट्रेटर पैंट्स के साथ पहनेंगे तो इवन बेटर है. एंड लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द राइट काइंड ऑफ पैंट्स. नाउ इफ यू आर वेयरिंग शॉर्ट कुर्तीज विद चूड़ीदार, दिस कॉम्बिनेशन कैन मेक द हिप्स एंड थाइज अपीयर लार्जर बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स द टाइट चूड़ीदार emphasizes the lower part of your body while the short kurti stops right at the hips, drawing more attention to that area. और ये एक ऐसी मिस्टेक है जो मैं बहुत देखती हूँ. We do not realize that we are wearing a short kurti with churidar when we want to de-emphasize our hips and thighs because this is only bringing more attention to that area. Instead, I will tell you what to do. Do pair a short kurta with pants for a more streamlined silhouette. Pants create a straight line from hips down, balancing your figure and creating a lengthening effect. और अगर top और जो bottom है और same print के होंगे, this is going to be even an addition. Not only they are going to make sure that your hips and thighs look smaller, but वो आपको लंबा भी दिखाएंगे. And this is going to make you look more balanced. Another mistake to avoid if you're conscious about your hips and thighs, then do not wear kurta with skinny jeans. Absolutely a big no. Why? Because the short kurta emphasizes your thighs, and of course the skinny jeans are not helping you either. So please, short kurta or skinny jeans are a complete no for you if you're conscious about your hips and thighs. Let me give you a better solution. Start wearing your short kurtas with a little wide leg jeans. This not only looks chic but also takes away the attention from your hips and thighs. A simple logic. Anything that is away from the biggest part of your body will always make it look smaller. So you can of course wear your kurta as jeans, but swap your skinny jeans to straight fit or wide leg jeans, and it is going to look not only chic, but I promise you all the attention will go away from your hips and thighs. I hope that these tips help you feel more confident and beautiful in your Indian wear. Remember, dressing according to your body shape is all about enhancing your natural beauty and feeling your best. By understanding what works for your body shape, you can dress up your best, and you can also highlight the strengths and create a more balanced look. Fashion is not about following strict rules, but about finding what you can wear so that you feel more empowered and comfortable. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with all your friends who might find these tips helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. And let me know in the comments below if you have any specific questions or topic that you would like me to cover in the future videos. Thank you so much for watching my video. Stay stylish, stay confident, and until next time, remember, style is for everyone and yours is within you. This is Ishita Saluja, your style partner, signing off.